What waste problems are caused by the rise of consumerism? Imagine a world where every new gadget, piece of clothing, or snack adds to mountains of trash. That's what happened as consumerism took off after the 1960s. People started buying more than ever before, and many items became disposable or short-lived. This surge in buying created huge amounts of waste that traditional waste systems struggled to handle. Municipal solid waste, which includes paper, plastics, metals, glass, and food scraps, has more than tripled in the United States since 1960. Back then, about 88 million tons of trash were produced each year. Today, that number is close to 300 million tons. That's roughly twice as much waste per person each day. Most of this waste ends up in landfills, which can cause land pollution. When organic waste decomposes without oxygen, it releases greenhouse gases like methane, which contribute to climate change. Textile waste is another big problem. Since 1960, discarded clothing has increased by over 800%. Fast fashion trends encourage people to buy cheap clothes that they wear only a few times before throwing away. This results in huge piles of textiles in landfills. These materials can take years to decompose and sometimes releases harmful chemicals into the environment. Electronic waste, or e-waste, has become the fastest-growing waste stream. As more people bought televisions, mobile phones, and computers from the late 1970s onward, discarded electronics piled up. Many of these devices contain toxic substances like lead and mercury. When e-waste is not properly disposed of, these chemicals can seep into soil and water, posing health risks for communities. Food waste is also a major issue. Consumer habits like overpurchasing and throwing away leftovers lead to large amounts of edible food being wasted. This not only wastes resources like water, energy, and labor but also produces methane in landfills. Methane is a powerful greenhouse gas that worsens global warming. Looking back at the 1960s, many people questioned materialism and promoted reuse, repair, and sustainability. The counterculture movement encouraged simpler lifestyles and less waste. But at the same time, the consumer boom led to more packaging, disposable products, and planned obsolescence. These habits made waste reduction harder, and the environmental impact grew over time. Today, we see the effects of that consumer-driven growth in overflowing landfills, pollution, and the depletion of natural resources. The rise of consumerism has created a lot of waste problems, from municipal trash to hazardous e-waste and food waste. It's a reminder that our choices as consumers can have long-lasting effects on the planet.